Hey friends, welcome back. Before proceeding further, we need to discuss one more small little thing. Currently, we have this particular program, and if we execute this particular program, then the output is pretty simple. Here we go. And this validity is nothing but a property which we have set in our previous lecture, right? So this is a small little property. Now in Springs, we also have something known as p namespace, and we can make use of p namespace in order to set property. So let us check how we can do this. If I navigate to this namespaces tab, in here, if we check, one of the option is this p namespaces, and p stands for property, obviously. If we check this and click on OK, then this namespace would be added here. So if you check this particular section, now there is a new entry for p namespace. XML NS means XML namespace. Alright, so moving forward, now we can convert this property in the form of p namespace. So if we get rid of this particular property, the name of the property is validity. So if I get rid of this, and we can make use of namespace, so I will directly define these property inside this bean tag. So I will hover and hit a space. So by highlighting this particular tag, if I type in p colon, and Eclipse is giving us some auto complete feature, out of which this particular option is of our interest. P colon validity. Validity is what? Validity is the name of the property we are willing to set. So whenever we are willing to set only the value part, and we need not to worry about name, type, and couple of more things. If we are setting only the value part, then p namespace are good option. So if I do this, I set the value of this property validity as 2019, and then navigate to user.java and hit the run button, then there won't be any change. Here we go. So there won't be any change. So this is yet another very useful and good feature, and we may make use of this. And usually don't try to mix these p namespace and property with each other. That may turns out to be a confusing situation. So always make sure that either make use of property tag or make use of these p namespace. So with this, I would be concluding this lecture. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.